Hey star lovers, Orion is about to leave our skies, but before he does, let's use his sparkly belt to find the Pleiades and his young loves. Hit the darkness around 9:30 p.m. and look southwest for Orion's notable belt. Next, use the 3 stars of the belt to draw a rough line toward Aldebaran in the constellation Taurus. There you'll see what looks like a tiny dipper. That's the Pleiades. The Pleiades is named for 7 sisters. Legend says Orion fell for them, pining and chasing their affections before Zeus turned them into this cluster of stars. Now Orion and the Pleiades move across the sky, with him chasing them still. The Pleiades are actually an open star cluster of more than 800 stars that form together from a cloud of gas and dust, and it's huge. Light itself takes years to cross from one star to another. Speaking of huge, down from that Pleiades is the gas giant Jupiter. Keep looking up.